I'm Melissa and today we'll be going over the Hermes Herbag in the size 31. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my videos. Please be sure to subscribe to stay updated with my future uploads and like this video if it's helpful for you. This specific Herbag has a burgundy type leather, it's smooth, and it has a beige canvas. This one also has palladium hardware on the front, the sides, and this little knob here on the back, and then the zipper. Let's go over some of the measurements of this bag. Now let's take a look at all of the many features of this bag. So first up, you have a nice top handle. It is composed of two pieces of leather. They can kind of slide and are not connected, but the top and the bottom is finished, and then the inside is a suede-like. What is suede? It's unfinished. And then you have a soft structure to the canvas. It can move and adapt to whatever you put inside. You also have this little clochette. This is a lock and two keys inside this leather, and then this can be removed if you would like. It has a metal emblem here that says Hermes Paris, and then the matching ones on the side. And this is all leather. Now here is the back. The strap is attached from the top all here in the middle, and it can kind of move depending on which way. So if you wear this side as the front, you can move it to the back, or if you wear this side as the front, you can move it to this side. So that is a nice feature. So this is the back. You have a zip pocket here. It is attached to the bag, so it does not remove. This is nice and generous in size. Can definitely fit a phone any size. You also have this little lock holder, so this lock can be attached here as another way of wearing it, and then this leather tab is the one that connects all the way to the front. Now let's look inside. To open the bag, you slide out these leather tabs, and then you just pull it through. This flaps open. So inside, we do have a pouch. This bag comes with a pouch. The pouch is detachable with a leather tab. I will give you a close-up of that here. Once the pouch is detached, you can slide this large part through this round loop, and you will have yourself a little wristlet. This pouch is really nice in size too. It has a zip pocket, so you can just keep some other small items in here, or like medium sized, some items that you want more secure, or you can use it on its own. And then the inside is just one big compartment, no pockets or slip pockets. Then to close it, you just align all the holes right here with that metal emblem and slide it back through. So here you can see in real time how it looks to do that whole thing. Another really important feature about this bag is that once you detach everything, as I'll show, you can actually flip it around, so you can have the front or this back pocket be in the front. So if you want easier access to that, or you want to completely change up the look, you do have that option. So when you're putting it back on, you would just flip the fabric part around. One of the features of this bag that a lot of people like is that you can fully remove it, the leather top, so it can be cleaned. So here's how it looks to do that. Let me put this pouch inside just so it's not in the way. Okay, so to do that, you pull out these leather straps. They thread through the side here, so you just slide them out. And then on the back, you just continue sliding them out. And then this one is attached through that metal piece. Once you've unthreaded the straps on the sides, there is a leather tab inside here. So all you have to do is slide that out. It looks like this. And then that is what was holding the emblem. And then back here, you'll be able to pull out the main body strap. And this can slide in and out. Once you have that part off, you have to unscrew this metal side, and then you have this kind of like ball chain. You can undo it. Make sure not to lose these parts, and then this metal bar will completely slide out. So that is how you do it. It is kind of a puzzle. Definitely took me a bit. And then you have all these separate pieces. So you can totally customize the bag. You can remove straps, you can have like just one of these. There's a lot of options, and then that makes this really easy to clean because now it has no leather on it. You would just have to remove the inner pouch strap. That's the only leather piece left. And so a lot of people say you can dry clean this because it's just canvas now. Now let me put it back together and we'll see what fits inside. I definitely took a few minutes to put back together, so I wouldn't want to do that all the time, but if you need to clean it, it's a good option. So let's look at what is inside, what can fit inside. We have my standard size iPhone, medium to small wallet. You can definitely fit a large wallet in here as well. It has a lot of room. Here's a little pouch, lip balm, my keys. And there's a bunch of room in here, like this whole big pouch. You have so much room in here, so this is a great medium-sized bag. You can fit a lot in here. Now let's do a try-on and you can see how this bag looks on. Thank you so much for going over the Hermes Herbag 31 with me. This was a fun one and hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, leave a like, and again, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions, leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer it. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.